Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make vegetable fried rice. So let's get started. 2 cups cooked basmati rice, 1 large onion, 5 cloves of garlic finely chopped, half cabbage finely chopped, 1 carrot finely chopped. Add some coconut oil. Add onion. Add cabbage. Add carrot. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix well. Now cover and cook for a few minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala. Mix everything well. Add in 3 tablespoons tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons soya sauce, sort it well. Now add in the cooked basmati rice. Add in 1 teaspoon pepper powder. Combine the rice well with the masalas. Now the vegetable fried rice is ready. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel.